Hello, and welcome to the Imagine Products YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the powerful new sync tool in ShotPut Studio. This tool performs a structure equality sync, meaning it ensures both the structure and contents of your destination matches that of your source. To get started, access the toolkit at the top of your screen and select Sync from the drop-down menu. Once there, you'll be presented with a staging screen, similar to that found in other areas of the application. Go ahead and add your source to the top queue and your destination to the bottom queue. You'll notice that the bottom queue has a green plus icon, indicating that the drive or folder in this queue is the one that will have items added to it. After dragging in your two items, click Start in the upper right corner. After doing so, you can select it from the jobs list to view its progress. After it has finished, there are two options when viewing results. First is the sync tree, which displays the file trees of both the source and the destination. As you expand your source file tree, your destination file tree will expand as well. Any files that were added after syncing are shown in color and are indicated by a green plus icon. This view can be filtered using the icon to the right of the header text. In the Filters menu, you can edit the second list to only view items that were synced, rather than the entire file tree. Above that, in the first list, you can choose to show the comparison results. This displays the two file trees before the sync. I'll go over this view in a moment when I cover performing a comparison without a sync. Now, back in the same menu, you'll see the last two options are source and destination. These allow you to view file trees for the chosen option and select specific files to view metadata. After you've finished viewing your results, exit out of this screen. Back in the staging view, use the drop-down menu in the center of the screen to select Comparison. This will instruct the tool to conduct a basic comparison between the two items without performing the sync. Just like with the sync, drag in your desired folders and then start your job. After, you can select it to view your results. When viewing your results, there are three icons that can appear. A green checkmark indicates that the items match exactly. A yellow caution sign indicates that something may be different and warrants further inspection. Finally, a red X lets you know that there are key differences or the item is missing altogether. With any of these icons, hover your pointer over them to learn more. An alternate way of viewing the results is to swap to comparison matches. This can be accessed using the icon in the upper right. To display results for this view, select any file from the initial items being compared. You can swap between your source and destination using this switch. After selecting one, any matching files from the other will be displayed. This allows you to quickly find exact matches to a specific item. Once you've finished comparing the two items, click the X at the top right of the screen to close out of the view. That concludes our tutorial over the sync tool in ShotPut Studio. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, imagine together.